What's up guys, this is Siddharth here. I just reached home. This is what an afternoon in hot summer does to a...
Good morning people, I know this vlog is after a very long time. So I just got a call from my friend Jaydev and he wants to take me out somewhere. That's a surprise, I don't know what. So I'm just getting ready. Okay, so today it's gonna be amazing. Levi's as well. And let me fetch these out. Thank you Mansi for this beautiful socks. And okay, right, Levi's as well. I just don't have an handkerchief of Levi's. Kash hota. Alrighty man, so we are sorted here. Oh man, what's my very late today, so still my lunch is pending. That guy is already out from his place to pick me up. So फटाफट अपन lunch करेंगे. रोटी सब्जी कुछ है नहीं, रोल करके खा के निकलेंगे. So बाहर थोड़ी ऐसा धूप जैसा है, गर्मी जैसा, तो पता नहीं, आई एम वेरी मच कंफ्यूज्ड कि कौन सा टी शर्ट पहने. फुल स्लीव, हाफ स्लीव, क्या. So this is not such mess every time, but वो अभी मैं निकाल रहा था इसलिए mess हो गया. So I'm planning which one shall I wear. I think this one will be better. That's a full sleeve or I don't know. Alrighty. Levi's as well. Soul Store. Man, but I also changed. I was about to wear this one, but I decided to put it back as well. And I guess that's the final pair we are having. We are ready to leave. And socks make change है कि हमने socks change कर लिए. So alright, this is like these pair. अरे यार, I have locked it. So these pair were gifted to me by my very good friend, I can say, whom I met in the camp. So she gifted these socks from Thela Gadi especially to me. These are the limited Simpson edition one. And these are extremely amazing, quirky, stylish, and you can say anything. People might say that you are like a child, but I am, yeah. That's the OTD. And this is my first skinny jeans in the entire lifetime. Like, I never thought I would look good in skinny jeans, but chalta hai thoda sa. What say? So yeah, that's my sort of favorite t-shirt. First of all, when I ordered it, I was so much fascinated by it that I just ordered it and I just didn't get it like, you know, according to my size. थोड़ा छोटा था, मतलब मेरे को तब मैं थोड़ा मोटा था, but now it fits perfectly and that looks good. So and that feels great. Yay! Alrighty guys, so see you. You can see the lean. I will be posing like this, shirtless. So we are ready to go. And this is officially the OTD. So maybe okay, so why the vlogs are coming late is because I'm really very serious of something that I'm working on, and yeah, probably in a week. It's after a very long time that I'm going out, and that's how it is. Mask बाकी है, mask पहन लेंगे. ये थोड़ा दाढ़ी यार, I gotta get trimmed man. This looks like a baba यार. Hey, that will be a very good business. I should become a baba, I guess. अगर हम बाबा बन जाएंगे ना, पैसा ही पैसा होगा और हमें जो अच्छा लगता है वो करने में मिलेगा. That is constant buck. I'm really happy with what I have become in the past few months, because sufferings make you a better person, and a better person attracts better people, and better people make your life best. So yeah, but I don't want to attract anyone anymore. I'm just attracting myself, my happiness, and that's all. My family and my friends. So JD boy is here and we are ready to roll. Alright, so I am wearing 2 masks, so koi tippani na de. Turn off the fan. I got my phone, got my wallet, money in the wallet. Everything is sorted. Check the gas cylinder. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है guys. Gas cylinder हमेशा check कर लो, ना चाहे कितना भी safe हो, नहीं. And always turn off your RO switches. Very ज़रूरी. घर गृहस्थी बसाते वक्त ध्यान रखो तुम लोग. I should start a channel on house making. What do you say? Alrighty, so we don't have anything to take care of. Let's roll. So these are my pretty beautiful Converse. मैं Converse इतना regularly पहन रहा हूँ अभी. Like I'm wearing it since last 6 years. So it has become like, if I'm going somewhere at a friend's place and there are Converse outside their door, people get it कि भाई सिद्धार्थ आया है. So I think that's the best thing. So JD boy is here waiting outside with his vintage Royal Enfield. So this guy owns 2 vintage Royal Enfields, and we both are, like, you can say automotive enthusiasts, but most particularly in bikes. So yep, we are going somewhere. We have JD boy right here in front of our eyes,
and we are
with
going
one
to snatch some chains.
All right.
Engineering doesn't give you
placements. And which version was it? We don't remember. We will see. We will see on the count of number of the chains. As many as chains we snatch, the number of it will be. Bingo.
Yes. And there is an internal competition.
Alrighty, man. Let's go.
So, hop on, buddy.
This is COVID. Alright, so the surprise is not a surprise anymore. So, like, हमारा जो भी plan था, the plan has been cancelled because it was already 3:30 and it's a lot of noise. So we will see, and we are facing some issues with the bike. So that's why we are going to get it repaired. Adios. Right, so the thing was that we went. JD wanted to surprise me with something, but the things didn't work out, and that is why we had to come to get his bullet repaired, and that's where he is. So his clutch wire is not working properly, as that is around 1980 or 1973 wala model. So we are here to get it set it up. So now let's see what the day brings. Happened, by the way.
एक हमारा शॉप था, वो शॉप कभी-कभी बहुत महंगा पड़ जाता है. हमारा क्लच खराब हो चुका है और as you can see, कुछ और काम करके हाथ लाल नहीं हुआ है.
कुछ और मतलब where do you want to take this conversation, man? A lot of people watch my video. Not a lot of people.
Okay, we'll try to keep it above the belt now.
Keep it above the belt.
This is the trickiest part. You have to be a commercial to be able to, fix that.
Okay, so this is a vintage Enfield, and this guy has been taking a lot of care of it, and this is his special mechanic. Only he knows how to do this stuff. So from here the clutch wire gets adjusted. And only this is the reason that JD and I are spirit animals, because we love bikes, everything about them. Bullet is fixed, and JD, we are good to go.
She does make me feel like a stepfather.
धूप का बहुत असर हुआ है JD पे, and what he's totally unknown about whatever he's saying, so please ignore it.
This is gonna get edited though.
Oh, that's so loud. So this is the famous Ratanpur, and just now see the shots and how empty.
The first Shakti sandwich was opened here.
Okay. So you can see no one, and it's around 4:10. No one. So actually we were supposed to come to Ratanpur, and we were about to come to Ratanpur, and JD wanted to surprise me with something, but it didn't work out. What happened, JD boy?
This is the first time that we both are seeing Ratanpur this secluded.
Oh yeah, that's very true.
Place.
That's very true.
Right now, but it's surprising.
We could have ordered. We could have taken a takeaway from a Subway, and we could have sat here and eat. What do you say?
Yes, obviously. Petrol के भाव देखे.
So we plan to go to we were planning to go to McD, but the dine-in is forbidden there. So we are going somewhere else, some place in Marinagar which is quite famous, and a lot of you guys might be knowing it. So yeah. Sorry, especially
Eastern Ahmedabadi Nifas.
Especially Eastern Ahmedabadi Nifas might be doing it.
So our chain snatching target hasn't been met. So as a punishment, this guy is gonna give me a ride to home. And why is he leaving without me? I have his phone. Alright. Let's go! Bhaiya, Goa chaloge, Goa. The vlog.
So JD has officially taken over the vlog, and I got
just like how someone says that JD is dominant.
Oh, JD7.
What's up, guys? This is Siddharth here. I just reached home. This is what an afternoon in hot summer does to a
with long hair.
MF Hassan, क्योंकि हम artist है.
Alright, so JD has taken over my vlog. So
Hi JD.
He has some amazing wit. So you guys will enjoy much more than you do with me. So
That's what she said.
Oh, my mom.
Oh, sorry. Mine didn't even let me. Okay.
So what's up, people? I know it was an amazing transition. मतलब अलग कपड़े, पूरा अलग scene and अलग गाड़ी obviously. So इसको निकालेंगे, अभी थोड़ा रात हो गया. Okay. So this is the second video that I'm shooting, and I really don't know when I will be uploading this. And I have shot a video before this, and I don't know if I'm going to upload this one or that one. So today the day was amazing. Jaydev called me up suddenly that, hey bro, I have a surprise for you. We are going somewhere, and that it will be an amazing thing, and you will get content. But what happened, you guys saw in the last part of the video. So that's my car. That right here, that's my car. So, and yeah, so the day was pretty amazing, and I'm feeling pretty good. A lot of stuff that is going on in life. So once that comes to an end, we can get somewhere. And yeah, we just stay tuned to my videos. I know I have been irregular because I was very busy. Like I had to meet people and lag chuke the bhai hamare. So, and I just got my first dose of vaccination. Alrighty, so continuing the video. So we are back home, going up, of course, and so as you guys know, the other thing today the sky looks very pretty. This frame is also very pretty. I should get a camera ASAP. What guys? What do you say? Huh? So yeah, and so now as I have lost quite a few kgs, I will start working on my upper body strength. So yeah. Alrighty, back home. Plans, बहुत सारे काम्स. आज का मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया. The day was I took a good break today. I just needed that because this week I was so much overworked. Like बहुत काम था, बहुत preparations करनी थी. I had to meet people and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm Siddharth Misra. This is my channel Life Like Sid. बने रहिए हमारे साथ आगे सफर में. Adios, amigos. The safar brings a lot of exciting things now. Be ready and bye. Or else we can do this. Alright.